Hello dear traders. My name is Kate and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the Dow Jones Index, which is holding near the 40,850 level. There are 2 weeks left until the next meeting of the Federal Reserve. Analysts are trying to predict further actions of the financial authorities. It is expected that macroeconomic reports, which will be released in the coming days, will help to assess the prospects of U.S. monetary policy. Thus, according to the Chicago Mercantile Exchange FedWatch tool, the probability of a rate cut by a minimum step of 25 basis points in September is now 70%, and by 50 basis points, 30%. The end of the week will see the release of U.S. non-farm payrolls employment data. According to analysts, the statistics will again disappoint traders, which will increase the likelihood of a larger rate cut in the U.S. In this scenario, the growth of Dow Jones may continue. Next, euro against the dollar. The pair is trading at 1.105. Investors are monitoring comments from European central bank policymakers, trying to determine their next steps in monetary policy. According to Reuters sources, some officials believe that the Eurozone economy looks weaker and the risks of recession persist as companies are actively laying off staff. Nevertheless, most economists note that actual indicators are consistently outperforming the weak results of business and consumer surveys, which allows the European Central Bank to take a wait-and-see stance and wait for more inflation data. Against this backdrop, the pair retains upside potential. And finally, oil. Brent oil is actively declining and holds its position near $73 per barrel. Pressure on prices was exerted by Bloomberg News reports about the possible end of the internal political conflict in Libya, which may lead to the restoration of production at the country's leading fields and export of more oil to the world market. At present, exports from the main ports are still not resumed. However, this situation may change in the near term, as the conflicting political forces in the country are now close to a compromise on the distribution of oil revenues. Thus, the resumption of supplies from Libya against the backdrop of OPEC+ countries' intention to increase production from September may send prices to new lows. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.